Alright, gotta find a 10mm socket. It's always a struggle. Probably got 300 of them. It's your guys' brand of choice. I like using Milwaukee. I should have had all this stuff sat out and prepared. But I didn't. I just came home and started filming. They put a regular Trailblazer grill on this, so I have to cut that off. It's got zip ties holding it because it's the wrong one. I was talking in the first video about what I bought it for. Bought it off some guys local. It was their dad's. And obviously, as you can see, they crashed it. Well, his dad crashed it, mom crashed it, whoever crashed it. But, as if it started developing a rod knock on them. I got it for $1,400, which might seem like a steal. With these LS2s, cranks are $800 to $1,000. Having somebody put it in, rebuilding the motor is going to cost you as much as one of these that has high miles on it. So the motor wasn't worth anything as far as, you know, offering for value of the motor. Training. Didn't know about the training because it didn't really run and drive when we got there. So I'm looking at a rebuilt title Trailblazer SS with a rod knock. To me, $1,400. No rust, I probably would have given him $4,000. But it wasn't rust free, I'll tell you that much. a bunch of zip ties. Teardown's gonna be easy. Daughter isn't here for this part of it. She's got her own job, works second shift, so weekends is the only availability for her to be here. So I plan on getting the bumper off, grill, probably fenders. I need to push outside and drain the radiator fluid. But I'm just doing a little bit of work today, make some progress. An inch of progress is still progress. Oh, my follower ran out of battery power. I'll just go ahead and leave it right there for now. It's got the auto zoom function. But I need a flashlight. I do really like this stuff here. These are cool fuck. Anybody who's done this before is probably laughing their ass off at me, but good stop. Google how to do this. It doesn't take too much time. Is it really just held on with that? Wow. Yeah, that is some shit. Hell, the fucking fog lights are stronger than the bumper mounts. That's crazy. So, little nub sticks in there, pushes right on. Ain't that some shit? By the way, there's gonna be a lot of paint work done to this, so I'm not worried about scratching a bumper right now. piece slides up and down right here. Cool. I'm only doing like maybe 15-minute videos a day every time I work on it. This isn't a stressful hurry-up project. This is going to be a fun project. It's a little bit at a time. I'll bite off more than you can chew and it'll be fun. Don't worry everybody now, my videos are probably going to suck for a while. Obviously I'm new at it. As soon as I can afford some good editing software, people to help me film, quality should go up. Until then, we're all new at something once. So let's check that out though. If you don't know, but check it out. I'm down like 35 pounds just drinking that. So, obviously, it was in a crash because all that stuff. But I don't really see any major damage up front. This is bolt in. Here we go. I don't know. It doesn't look factory. But then again, I'm not a Trailblazer SS expert yet. Looks a little bent in there. But I think the impact was just on this side mainly. But yeah, I think that's where I'm going to stop today. Next time we'll take the crash bar out. Radiator cross support, radiator, condenser, fan, belts, everything from the fender wells. And then start taking the harness off. But I already worked a full day today. I just came home to get a little bit done. Until next time, see y'all later.